We need your help identifying the bodies.
Bodies? Oh, everybody dead. You said I ain't dead. Get up out of here. Yeah.
Hey, buddy. Scared the shit out of me. We need to talk, man. What's happening? You know what's happening. Am I dead? Dead? No. But you're gonna wish you were. Please.
Oh my God, Nick.
Jen. Oh. What's happening? Where am I? Who's in charge here?
Base, this is Search Team 1. Looks like the train of wreckage spread across 2.5 miles through the forest. Coming up the Mansfield Pier now, stand by.
It's a wreck. Time of wing. Stand by. Miles away from the primary crash site. Over. One body found, no obvious signs of life. Stand by. Casualty confirmed deceased. Request attendance of ambulance personnel. Over.
Gabriel! Gabriel! All right, get them clothes on.